God. Well, I wonder how long this is gonna last. Um, Surprise! There were a couple of raindrops on the windshield, and I drove over to a parking lot, and the parking lot looks like it's got about 3 inches of water running down it right now, and it started hailing, and I'm not getting out of the car. You'd think I was back home in monsoons or something. I don't know. I'm glad I'm not out in the middle of nowhere all by myself. I'm wondering about mud, but that hail was pretty good size. That was pea size. I'll have to check the weather. I have another video to put out and show you guys. But I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the tracker. And if this went on for days, it would not be fun, but I'd survive.